Alright, here we go. Like I promised, I keep getting these tweets from Alaska Volcano Center, and it is saying ongoing eruption of the Veniaminof volcano, Veniaminof volcano, uh, is ongoing eruptions. Has intensified today, 11/21/18, with a significant ash emission of up to 15,000 feet, and now at a level red/warning, continuous ash emissions. Much higher ash emissions are possible. They're having notable seismic activity as well. Alright, I will put the link to this underneath this video. You can go read it for yourselves. And down at the bottom, you can click on notify. If it goes out, there's a little bell with a slash on it. If you click that, you'll be notified immediately if something happens. Alright, so God bless, be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, it's been a very long day. You guys are awesome. Please be safe out there. 2 thumbs up.